阿拉斯加原住民喺會議上話，佢哋處於氣候變化嘅前線。阿拉斯加部落首領李斯蒂芬話
：We are very, very concerned about our Mother Earth, but Alaska is not causing global warming. However, actions of the globe is affecting Alaska.
與會者話，北極地區嘅氣候問題包括氣溫上升、海冰萎縮同越嚟越多由於更加乾燥炎熱嘅環境而發生嘅山火。國務卿克里將氣候變化稱作為地震式挑戰，如果唔解決，將會變得更壞，並且導致佢所稱嘅氣候難民。
You think migration is a challenge to Europe today because of extremism? Wait till you see what happens when there's an absence of water, an absence of food, or one tribe fighting against another for mere survival.
不過美國對該地區嘅部分政策已經招致批評，例如奧巴馬總統准許蜆殼石油公司喺阿拉斯加近海擴大鑽探嘅決定。奧巴馬話
：We don't rubber stamp permits. We make it clear that Shell has to meet our high standards in how they conduct their operations.
奧巴馬總統話底線就係必須要安全。喺一份聯合聲明當中，出席氣候變化會議嘅各國部長話，佢哋重申對減慢全球變暖措施嘅承諾。佢哋保證支持減少碳排放以及加強北極地區研究嘅努力。美國之音記者多金斯，國務院報道。